Hi, my name is Ari Steffens. I'm 12 years old and I'm in 6th grade. The reason why I came to Interoptimal is because my teacher told my mom that I wasn't listening at school, and I didn't feel so confident. And Interoptimal helped me to be more confident and listen to my teacher so that I could get my work done at school. When I was in 3rd grade, I had a really hard time reading. I was really not learning how to read. And so I practiced reading while I was doing Interoptimal, and now I read big books like this. A session of Interoptimal is painless. You just sit in a chair, and then they put these sensors on your head. It feels really cool. And then you just relax, and there's music, and you just relax. You don't really have to do anything, and you can even sleep. And it's not only for adults, it can also be for kids. So that's kind of cool because everybody can do it. Interoptimal has really helped me, and I suggest that everybody should do it, including you.